Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing fine. Thank you for tuning in to my everyday progress. For today, I was working on extracting features from the image. I am still following this tutorial from this blog titled 3 Beginner Friendly Techniques to Extract Features from Image Data Using Python. I am following along with the codes on the blog and doing some alterations that matches my image. There are a few bugs that I managed to solve with Stack Overflow. But there's this bug I can't solve for today. I am not able to get the average pixel values with the use of a for loop. Since my time is up, I'll have to deal with the bug tomorrow. So, to anyone who is watching who knows how to fix the bug, please comment below. I really need your suggestions.